Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY EQ wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of these so that you can set them up like you're just setting them up new for the first time. You can go ahead and do this factory reset, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is put our earbuds in the case, make sure they've got a decent charge on them, and then we're going to come in and press and hold the buttons on the back of each earbud and just hold. And after 6 seconds, you'll see the indicator light on the front of the case. It will start to blink in blue. That's just indicating that it's in pairing mode, but we're just going to ignore that and keep holding. And after 20 seconds, this indicator light will flash red. Once it's flashed red 5 times, the reset is complete. We can go ahead and release our fingers, and now we have a brand new reset set of headphones that we can just, earbuds that we can just set up however we like.